Hi, in this part of the training, we will take a look at how to use data sources in Ranorex tests. In previous parts of the training, we have created Ranorex paths, identifiers, and recordings with variables. So far, we have linked these variables in the data binding dialog. These values were configurable per test case. This allows us to create reusable paths and recordings. Now, we will take this technique a step further, and we will link those variables to values in data sources. By using tables as data sources, we can create iterations in our tests without needing to repeat the same recordings or repeating the same steps within a recording. Ranorex supports several data connectors, but today I will discuss the simple data connector and the CSV data connector. The others are similar in usage. Okay, so first let's take a look at what we will be doing in this part of the training. So I have my Data Miner Cube open here, and I've moved to the Element Connections app. Previously, we've added linked elements for simple parameters like the saved number and saved text. And today we will do the same thing, but for table parameters. So first of all, I need to select an instance of my source table. So for my source table, I can select, for example, the row with ID 1. And then I have to, again, select a destination element. And that destination element, I have to select length parameters, so that will also be a table parameter. So the remote saved number, numeric country, so they're identical. And then for the destination, I have to select an instance again. Okay, so far so good. This looks fairly straightforward. But then in the next step, what I can do is duplicate this. And now I have two perfectly identical entries. So I'll need to take special care of that. And then within this, I can select another instance. And for this instance, I can also select a linked instance in my linked parameter. And when I do a duplicate action, so I right click and duplicate, it's immediately also filling in the linked elements, the linked parameter. Basically, all I need to do is switch the instance after I've done the initial setup of a table row and selected the first instances. Okay, so let's take a look at how we can do this, automate this with Ranorex.